Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Kapili Vlog. Ayan, ito na guys. Oh, i-flex ko lang ito. Oh, ayan. Lulutuin ko ito yung aking lulutuin at ang ingredients lahat. Ito ay beef with onion, minced pork with carrots, at ito yung vegetable o choy-sam. Ayan. Maiba naman ang aking lulutuin. At ito guys, minamarinate ko pala siya ng Japanese sauce. Ayan, hindi ko mabasa kasi Japanese ang nakasulat dyan. Ayan guys, igigisa ko muna yung white onion. At yan, nilagay ko na yung beef na marinate ko na yan para madali. Ayan guys, so ayan, yummy. At pinakuluan ko pala yung beef muna ng mainit ng tubig, hindi ko na naman ipakita. Ayan, para matanggal yung taba-taba niya at less cholesterol. Ayan, almost done. Ito ay gisa-gisa lang. Ayan, simple luto-luto. Ayan na guys, oh. Wow, tinikman ko na. It's so yummy. Ayan. At ba, syempre, pinaret ko na yung para sa akin. Ayan. Para iserve ko na lang. Ayan guys, oh. Ayan, 3 dish ang linuto ko. Ayan yung beef with onion. At yung isa doon ay yan, minced pork at carrots. At ayan na guys. Let's eat na guys. It's ready. Table is ready. Ayan. Yummy. Ayan guys. Wow. Salamat sa panonood. Thanks for watching. Likes and subscribes, comments.